Welcome back to yet another video. Today we are going to discuss on the salary, the packages or the compensation uh, given to the software engineers, freshers, full stack engineers or a programmer in the IT giants companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, Oracle, Google. So if you want to know what are the range of the packages the employee draws, and also what are the packages, the highest and the lowest salary compensation which the company gives, right? From this actually you will get to know like which are the companies who pays really well to the employees. Now this doesn't really means that everybody draws that particular salary, but this basically depends on the number of factors like skills, the experience, right? There are multiple factors which we will discuss in, right? So this video is about discussing the compensation packages in the IT giant companies, right? The pay scales and the salary ranges. So without wasting, let's discuss. So before I go ahead, I wanted to inform you all that this information is for only general purpose and guidance only, and it should not be considered as an financial advice, or it should not be taken as an standard thing. So these are all the information which I've gathered for with the friends and the online. So also I've gathered this information from one of my close associates who have been working with me and who have joined over there, right? So this is a mix and match of that. So as I mentioned, it will depend solely on your own education, your experience, your confidence and your preparation, right? So that should be taken in a positive way, right? Don't be discouraged or with the existing package what you have, right? There is a everybody has a scope of improving, and then someday you will be reaching there, right? So this is not for any comparison purpose, this is just for a general purpose information. Now, as I mentioned, right, the salary ranges which will be approximately and can be significantly based on certain factors like experience, skills, role, what kind of company, the performance, what the locations, etc. Right. So the terms used here are LPA, which is stands for lakhs per annum, which is lakhs of rupees per year, which is going to draw. So this can be CTC, this can be a fixed component, which will depend on the company structure. There can be some ESOPs as well, but yeah, overall I'm mentioning the LPA or the per annum packages. Now the experience level can be generally, for the experienced person, right? The salary generally increases, and as the experience goes on, and the work experience, right? But at the entry level 0 to 2, if you see, this normally ranges from 10 to 18 LPA. This is an average is I'm talking about. So higher maybe 18, some the lowest maybe, or somewhere around 10 LPA. So mid-level engineers may be drawing from 3 to 6 years of experience will have 20 to 40 LPA. Again, this is an average. Senior level, so the experience which are above 7 years and more, right? Which might draw from 50 to 80 or to 1 CR as well, depend on the skills, the technology, also, right? So that will play a major role. Now when it comes to Google India, right, the we have locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and basically Google is known for its high salaries, excellent work culture, cutting edge projects, and also for their food which they provide for the employees. It's unmatched. And also the range of the packages which will start from the studying engineer to the experience level, right? It will the lowest would be 15 LPA to the it depends, like it might cross 1 CR as well. So these are the packages or the compensation which will be provided by the Google, right, India. Now Microsoft India. Now as we the locations are like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida, right? Now what exactly the Microsoft India is known for, like, it is competitive compensation, global opportunity. You can get opportunities anywhere in the world. It has got a strong brand reputation, right? So they are very good into it. And also, the range from the start level engineers to the experience level, right? So it may range from 12 LPA to 80 LPA. Somewhere it goes around above 1 CR as well, but depends on the package, experience and the skills. Amazon India. So the locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. It is known for its competitive entry level salaries, right? So it has got SD, SD1, 2, 3, depends on that. It has got exposure to AWS and emerging technologies, right? So it has got wide variety of projects going on inside their own development centers. Uh, the salary range starts from 12 LPA to 75 LPA. So it may depend on number of factors as I mentioned. So cloud technologies, what are you working on? Goldman Sachs India. So this is one of the investment banking, right? So the locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida. Uh, this company is known for high salaries, rigorous work actually, environment, exposure to financial domains, right? So people working over here get a lot of exposure into the financial BFSI domain, and they got a strong hold on it, right? So here the compensations are really well paid to the employees. It starts from 18 LPA to somewhere it goes around to 1 CR and 1.2 CR also, right? Depends on the skills and technology. Adobe India. Now, these locations are Bangalore and Noida. I mean, these are the few locations as I mentioned. This is not all the only locations in India, and it is known for its creative software focusing, competitive compensation, opportunities in design and multimedia. Right. So it's a quite good company, and also it provides a quite competitive salary compensation. So which ranges from 12 LPA to 70 LPA. uh, some ranges may actually, goes on your current compensation as well, because some people might be already drawing some packages which are 50, 60, 70 LP, and they are expecting some 30%, 40% hike on that particular existing salary, which may also depend on that as well, right? Flipkart India. So the locations, few locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida. Now, this is, you must be already knowing, this is known for its e-commerce and opportunities in various areas like supply chain, chain, and the AI, right? So the salary ranges from 10 LPA to 70 LPA from say, junior level to the higher level experienced engineers, right? Programmers. Oracle India. So basically, the few locations are Bangalore, Gurgaon, Mumbai also is there, right? Now, basically, it is known for its database expertise, cloud computing focus, competitive salary, right? And it has got quite good locations as well. And the salary ranges are from 10 LPA to 60 LPA. Now, I am not very much sure about the highest level beyond that, but yeah, these are the salary ranges which I have, taken from the close associates and also people who via references. Okay. So yeah, it's a very good company as well. Atlassian. Now, this is the locations are Bangalore, Gurgaon, right? Now, this company is known for its agile methodologies, collaborative tools, right? It has got various tools, competitive compensation, right? It gives a quite well, it pays well to the employees. The salary ranges from 12 LPA to 85 LPA. Now, as I mentioned, based on the current compensation, it may depend, but yeah, this is a quite good company, I would say. Walmart Labs. So this is one of the companies which has got in Bengaluru, and it mainly focuses on e-commerce, retail chain, data analytics, and AI/ML. Now, basically the core technologies they work on, right? Like the salary range is, starts from 12 LPA and even more, right? Based on the current market standards, but yeah, it goes up to the 75 lpa, right? So this is also quite you learn a lot of here in this particular company. Nvidia, now this is the company which you doesn't require any introduction, right? And the locations are Bangalore, but if you know, it is known for its AI, deep learning, graphic cards, the processing unit, CPU, right? It's all chips, right? So uh, this is quite good company to work on, and also it has got a quite standard processes. You'll get a lot of exposure over here. So it depends on the, like, the status minimum range to 15 lpa to somewhere plus 1 point versus 1 cr as well, right? It can be more than that as well. I hope this video was helpful to knowing the salary range and the compensation for different companies in India and abroad as well, right? So which are the big giant IT companies. So this video will give you an information about what could be the expectation when you're trying to switch, or when you are trying to apply for any companies which are mentioned here. Now these are not the only companies which are there, are much more, many companies which I have not listed, but yeah, there might be another video which would be coming on. But yeah, these are some of the companies which I've listed. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and please share it with the needy people who are trying to apply for certain companies, and also preparing well for to crack this particular interviews.